Hello everyone, welcome to the daily current affair analysis series of GK Today. Today's topic of discussion is Delhi takes over Bangalore as the startup capital of India. So now let's start the video. The national capital has replaced Bengaluru as the startup capital of India with over 5,000 recognized startups added in Delhi between April 2019 and December 2021. Against 4,500 in the Bengaluru during the period as per the Economic Survey 2021-22. The survey shows that Maharashtra has the highest number of recognized startups with a total of 11,308 startups in the state. During 2021, 555 districts had at least one new startup against 121 districts in 2016 and 17. To be sure, for long, Bengaluru has been one of India's largest IT hubs with companies including Infosys and Wipro headquartered in the city and hundreds of startups in the IT and knowledge-based sector. The survey also noted that in the broader ecosystem, India added over 14,000 new startups in the fiscal year 2021-22. Taking the total number of recognized startups in the country to over 61,400. India thus became the third largest startup ecosystem in the world after the US and China. India has also overtaken the UK, that is United Kingdom, in the number of unicorns, with a record of 44 companies turning unicorn in 2021. The country now has the third highest number of unicorns and the only trails the US and China. As of 14 January 2022, India had 83 unicorns with a total valuation of $277.77 billion. So that's all for the update. Thanks for watching.